Hey everyone, if the first method I shared for getting Canva Pro for free didn't work for you, don't worry. I've got another option that might just be the solution you're looking for. In this video, I'll walk you through a different way to access Canva Pro without paying a dime. Okay, before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new tips. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this. Okay, let's get started. Okay, go to your browser, search for Dolphin Pro. Okay, click on it, keep scrolling. Scroll down, keep scrolling down to the end, and you see Canva Pro here. Click on it, takes you straight to the Canva Pro team invite links. So keep scrolling. As you are scrolling, you take your time and be reading. Or don't take your time to click out. We see last updated 30th of October 2024. So they update it time to time. You see, I clicked on link 3. You can click on link 2 or link 1, any of them that you wish. And I'm told to wait for 30 seconds. So after waiting for 30 seconds, let's see what happens here. Okay, so I'm giving the link, shorten link 3, direct link 3. I click on the direct link. Yeah, I prefer that one. Direct link. It takes me straight to Canva. You see, I'm now welcome to the team. Now I'm part of them. So just click on let's go. Check the menu there. I've joined a team already. That was few months ago before joining this one. So you see I have two tyrannical ruler and what I joined just now. So I'm using that one. Let's see what's in there. Let's see whether we can access the premium features. Okay. Let's click on here. Go for YouTube video. Go for video. YouTube video. Okay. I add the templates. You see there edu written on it, under it, where the pro should have been. So I can access all these templates without being restricted. You see, I can access all these templates. You see the indicator there. Can access all this. So let's click one of them, search which one suits. Okay, turn it. Yeah. This is it. This was supposed to be a premium feature, but since I've joined the team, can access it very freely without paying. See, can use it. Very cool. Okay. There's another one, premium feature. Okay. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel to get updated with many tech tips you should know. Alright. See, now you are free to go. Try it and let's see. So if you have a problem, let's bring it to the comment section. Let's all do it together.